Hello everyone. We have this question x power y minus y equals 77 where x and y belongs to a natural number. So let's start the solution of this question and we have to find the value of x and y. So let's start the solution. We can write this x power y as x power y all power 2 divided by 2 minus y power 2 divided by 2 equals 77. And now in the next step, let's bring this denominator inside this parenthesis and we will carry out same operation over here. We will bring the denominator inside the parenthesis. So let's tag this step. So after bringing this denominator inside the parenthesis, this will become x power y divided by 2 power 2, this power 2, and then minus, and similarly here this y power 1 divided by 2 all power 2 because we have brought this denominator inside the parenthesis, which is equal to 77. And now look at this value. This is basically a square minus b square. This is basically in the form of a square minus b square, which is equal to a minus a plus b into a minus b. So we will expand these values according to this formula. So this will become a. We have a equal to x power y divided by 2. So a plus b. B is equal to y power 1 divided by 2 and into a minus b. And in the next step, we will make factor of this 77. So this 77 can be factorized as 77 times 1 into 11 times 7 into 7 times 11 into 1 times 77. So these all equals 77. We can factorize this 77 in these values. But look again at this question and at these two factors here. Because of this plus, this value, this whole value will be greater than this value. So therefore, we can consider a value such that this must be greater than this value. So therefore, this 77 times 1, this factorization is accepted, and similarly 11 is greater than 7, which is acceptable for here, so this is also accepted. But look at this values. If we put this value equal to 7 and this value equal to 11, then this is not acceptable because this value must be greater than this value. And if we put this value over here, so it is not according to this condition, so therefore this value will be rejected, this factorization is rejected, and similarly with the same logic this factorization is also rejected. So it means that now we have two cases, and case 1, that is 77 times 1, this is case 1, and case 2 is 11 times 7, this is case 2. So we will discuss these two cases and we will solve this question according to these two cases. So let's move forward. So now we have factorized this 77 into 77 times 1, and now we will compare these two values. So this factor is equal to 77 and we call it equation 1, and similarly we will make an equation of this value which is equal to 1, and we will call this equation 2. And now in the next step we will add these equation 1 and equation 2. So let's add this equation 1 and 2. So this x power y divided by 2 and this x power y divided by 2 will become 2 times x power y divided by 2, and because of this minus and plus, these two values will cancel each other, and here this 77 plus 1 equals 78. And now in the next step we will divide both sides by 2, so we will get x power y divided by 2 equals 39 because 72 divided by 2 equal to 39. And now this is the value of x power y divided by 2. Now look at equation 2 over here. Now we will put this x power y divided by 2 over here. So we will get the value of y. So let's do. So put x power y divided by 2 is equal to 39 in equation 2. That is this one. And this is equation 2. So now we will put here 39. So 39 minus y power 1 divided by 2 equals 1. And now in the next step we will send this minus y power 1 divided by 2 on the other side of the equation, and similarly we will shift this one over here. So this will become 38, and this will become y power 1 divided by 2. So in actual, this y power 1 divided by 2 equal to 38, and in the next step we have to find out the value of y. So to eliminate this power 1 divided by 2, we will take square on both sides. So after taking square on both sides, this will become 38 squared, and 38 squared equal to 1444. This is the value of y. Now we also know that x power y divided by 2 equal to 39. Now we will put the value of y over here, which is this one. So let's put this value over here. So x power 1444 divided by 2, which is equal to x power 722 divided by 39. But actually we need the value of x, so we will take this 7 and 22nd root of this value, basically like this, and then this root will cancel this value. So this will become x equal to 7/22 root of 39. Now this is the value of x. In the start we have said that x and y belongs to natural number, and this is not a natural number, so therefore we will reject this value. So this value is rejected, and now we will study case 2. In case 2, as we have discussed, we will factorize 77 into 11 times 7, and now we will compare this values like this value will be equal to this one. So x power y divided by 2 plus y power 1 divided by 2 equal to 11, and similarly this value will be equal to 7, and this is equation 2. And again we will add these two equations, so this will become 2 times x power y divided by 2, and these two values will cancel each other, and 11 plus 7 equals 18, and then we will divide both sides by 2, so this will become x power y divided by 2 equals to 9. And now in the next step we will put this x power y divided by 2 equals 9 over here in this equation 2. So this is our equation 2, and now we will put here equals 9. So this will become 9 minus y power 1 divided by 2 equals 7, and like previous, we will send this minus y power 1 divided by 2 on other side of the equation. So this will become in positive, and we will shift this 7 on this side of the equation. So this will become 9 minus 7, which is equal to 2 basically, and this y power 1 divided by 2. And hence we need the value of y. So to obtain the value of y, we will take square on both sides. So after squaring on both sides, this value will become 2 squared. So y equal to 4, because 2 square equal to 4. And now as we know that x power y divided by 2 equals 9, and now we will put y equal to 4 over here. So let's put the value of y over here. So this x power 4 divided by 2, and this 4 divided by 2 means 2. So this will become x power 2, that is x squared, which is equal to 9. And now to get the value of x, we will take square root on both sides. So after taking square root on both sides, we will get the value x equal to 3. Please remember here, after taking square root on both sides, we get two values, that is plus 3 and minus 3. But I haven't considered minus 3 over here, because as I told earlier, that x belongs to natural number and minus 3 is not natural number. So therefore I have ignored minus 3, because minus 3 is not natural number. So therefore it's equal to 3. And now we have the values of x and y, which is equal to 3 and 4. X equal to 3 and y equal to 4, and this is the solution of this question. Now let's verify as well. So let's verify. This was our question, and now we will put the values of x and y, which is 3 and 4. So we will put x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. So 3 power 4 minus 4 equal to 77, and 4 times 3 means that 81, because 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. So 9 times 9 equal to 81. So 81 minus 4, 81 minus 4 means 77, which is equal to 77. So this is verified as well. So it means that this is the solution of the given question. I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. If you have any kind of question regarding this question, you can also ask me in comment section. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.